Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Attio CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add or create a new deal inside of your Attio CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a new deal inside your Attio account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business using Attio CRM, that's the whole point of this, is to be able to track deal flow from beginning until finished. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a new deal into your Attio CRM, here on the left side, you're going to click on deals. So here's where you can see all the current deals you're working on, and we're going to be able to track them from lead all the way until one. And if you have other various steps inside of here, we're going to be able to add new steps as well. So there's a few different ways you can do this. If you know the deal is just a lead, you can click right here, new deal. However, if you already had a deal that you already won, you can click right here and it's going to add it immediately to the one. Generally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click up here on the top right, blue, new deal. Okay, so here is where we can go ahead and add our new deal. So let's go ahead and name this Chinese restaurant build out. Okay, and then deal stage. So we're going to put this as a lead. So maybe this company has contacted us and they want us to build out a Chinese restaurant for them. Deal owner. So this is going to be me. If you have other team members, you can go ahead and add them there. Deal value. So this is going to be a $250,000 build out. Okay. If you have other people that are associated with this, that you're dealing with, like a secretary of that company, or maybe a sales manager or something like that, you can go ahead and add them here. If that person is not in your contacts, you can easily click right here and create that person. For me, I'm going to choose this person. And next, we're going to go ahead and assign this to a company. So once you click here, you can see all the different companies that you already have logged. If you don't see the company on the list or you haven't added the company, it's not going to show up here. So you can easily click right here and create a company. For the purpose of this video, let me go ahead and just say this is going to be Disney. Okay, so we just put this deal together. Let me click on create record. Okay, so now we have a new deal we just put together right here. You can see this is just in the lead category right now. So if this company ends up hiring us, we can go ahead and move this easily over to in progress. And as we are working our way through to one, we can easily just leave notes on this particular deal. So we can click here, notes, and create note. Oh, sold. This client now wants 2 restaurant build outs. All right, and let me close this down. And I'll just come back over here on the left and go to deals. Okay, so now anybody who is working on this deal with me, so any of my coworkers, they can easily just click right here and view any notes that we have on this particular deal. Now, if we need to add another step, instead of lead, in progress, and one, you can click on this plus icon over here and we can add a new stage. So let's say before it's a lead and then progress. In the middle, let's go ahead and add a different step and say that we're quoting. So quote submitted. Okay. And then enter. And let me go ahead and just drag this on over to the left. So now we have another step. So now when we get new leads, they're going to be here. And then once we have submitted our quote, we'll add the deal right here into quote submitted. And then once we have won the quote and it's in progress, we're going to click right here. But for this particular kind of company, for me, this would make more sense if we put the one over here. So we get the lead, we're going to submit a quote. We won the bid. Now the job is in progress. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a new deal into your Attio CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.